What's going on, guys? It looks like this weekend is going to be the perfect weekend. So here in Pennsylvania, we're already seeing the change of colors in the leaves. And today, I was looking for the perfect campground to go camping this weekend. And to be honest, I was a little bit overwhelmed because I sat at the computer for like 3 hours and couldn't decide as to which campground I was going to go to this weekend. So here's what I finally decided to do. I am going to camp in my backyard again. The difference with camping this weekend is I have a setup that I've never tried before. I recently ordered a connector that connects the RBM Octopus to the RBM Hub. So we're going to try this out this weekend, and we're going to camp right here in my backyard. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. I'm going to move some of the furniture around. I'm going to put the Octopus right here. I'm going to move the mini excavator to make more space to put the hub. And we're going to set up everything right here in this spot where I'll also have access to the fire pit. And I think it's going to look beautiful. So let's get to work.
Rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I do it a million times with you. Cars to fix, bills to pay. Rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I do it a million times with you and never get tired. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again.
I want to give a quick shout out to two of my sponsors of this video, Govee, Make Life Smarter, and Olight, Rethink Light, Reimagine Style. I'm going to talk about them a little bit more later, but let's get back to the video. What a beautiful night it is to be out here. Right now it's about 68 degrees and it's 8 o'clock at night. And it is very comfortable outside. I'm going to roast 2 corns. One for me, one for my wife. My wife don't eat steak, and she don't eat chicken either. So she's gonna make her own food. Nothing too much, just a little bit of here and there, maybe 1 piece of steak. But apart from that, that's it. I'm gonna sit out here, relax. I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna enjoy some good food. Probably stay out here late, and then I'm gonna go take a nap in the tent. And I don't think I'm gonna need the wood stove tonight. I don't think it's gonna get too cold in the morning, but if it does, I have wood, and hopefully I don't need it. But I'm gonna sit out here, chill, and enjoy the night. Uh-oh, we're out of gas.
I think I can see the shore. It was so dark yesterday. I never did hope for more. And don't know what came over me the moment you caught my eye. I was alone on the sea, but never did find out why. You saw something there where I was drifting. You sent up a flare to bring me home. A beauty I never did see in anyone else's eyes. We were alone on the sea, under deserted skies. I saw something there out in the distance, a wing and a prayer to bring you home. A new wind is blowing today.
I want to thank Govee for sending me those outdoor clear bulb string lights. And man, those lights, they're a real game changer. Check this out. You can use the app to change the colors. There's so many different color options you can use, depending on the mood you're in. Whatever color you can think of. There's a candy cane. There's a Christmas tree. Christmas gift. There's Valentine's Day. There's birthday. Fireworks. I will leave the link in the description for the Govee clear bulb string lights. This is the Olight Act Pro flashlight. Rethink light, reimagine style. This is a 4-light, 7 configuration seamless control flashlight. What was that? You can switch quickly between pure flood, spotlight, and UV light with a precisely calibrated rotary selector. It even has a laser that works separately or together with the other free lights, creating a total of 7 light configurations. This light comes in very handy when you're out camping and you want to do a quick check of your tent to make sure everything is secure. It is ultra slim and portable and also has a dual charging option.